Hello again, and welcome to the Week 18 update. This is the last week before Reading Week, and just so you know, there will be no new material presented over Reading Week. We'll start back up again on February 22nd, 21st, somewhere around there. There's only three quick things I want to talk about today. The first thing is Test 4 has been graded and the marks have been posted. If you have any questions, send me an email. The second thing is that we are into our last major topic for the course. If we look at the multivariate calculus that we started in Unit 17 and now is continuing on in Unit 18, that's going to be our major topic for the remainder of the course up until Unit 23. So it can be a challenging unit. You're doing visualizations of surfaces in 3 dimensions and trying to represent those in various ways with formulas and graphs. So it can be challenging, especially as you first get into it. So the plus side is that we're going to come back to all these different ideas of what does a surface look like, what does a formula for a surface look like, why do we use contour maps, what can we read from contour maps. All those kinds of analysis and ideas are going to be looked at in greater and greater detail as we go forward, rather than just doing it once and then leaving it behind. So if it's not immediately obvious how these things all fit together, take a breath and do your best to work through it. Send us emails, post in the forums, but you will get a chance to explore it in depth as we go through the next few weeks as well. If you're enjoying it already, then that's fantastic. Just keep doing that, and it'll be no trouble at all. Lastly, there were a couple of emails about the about the interaction grade in the distance version of the course. And the challenge there, or the idea there, was that if you can talk about math with somebody else, then it'll often stick better. This hasn't been a huge success in terms of participation. A lot of people haven't had the time or haven't had the inclination to post on the forums sort of regularly. So rather than penalize everyone for that, what I'm going to do is take the best of mark arrangement for that. So there was 6% dedicated to the interaction grade in the course, and what I'll do is take the best of the interaction grade based on weekly communication in the forums, and or your 6%, another 6% for web work, because that seems like the most similar things for a participation type grade, and I'll take the better of those two. So whichever one's in your favor, we'll use that for the 6% interaction grade. I'll formalize that a little bit more on the Moodle website, but basically if you have any concerns or questions about that arrangement, don't hesitate to let me know. So I think that's all for this week. I'm going to wish you then a happy reading week. Hopefully it'll be a chance to catch up, take a deep breath, and resume the last 6 weeks of the course with a little energy and get you through to April. Thank you very much. We'll talk to you next week. Oh wait, no, the week after that, after reading week. We'll talk again.